अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज क्लास 2 के लिए मैं रिव्यू लेकर आई हूँ साइंस की बुक का। सबसे पहले हम सिलेबस को टैली करेंगे। इसमें सिलेबस में आप देखिए, सिलेबस है मिड टर्म का, जिसमें आर ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स, प्लांट्स अराउंड अस, आर एनिमल फ्रेंड्स, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, आर बॉडी एंड नीड्स, ईटिंग वेल, स्टेइंग सेफ। नेक्स्ट है यूनिट 4, वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस, एयर एवरीवेयर, वेदर। फिर शॉर्ट नोट है एयर एंड प्लांट्स के ऊपर। सबसे पहले हमारा चैप्टर आ जाता है प्लांट्स अराउंड अस, यानी हमारे इर्द गिर्द के पौधे। इसकी एक्सरसाइजेज मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ जो कि फिल हुई हुई हैं। आप अपने पास इसको नोट डाउन कर लीजिए। राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग: 2 trees, neem tree, coconut tree; 2 shrubs, rose, jasmine; 2 herbs, mint, aloe vera; 2 creepers, cucumber, pumpkin. Next है, write one word for each of the following: a plant with a trunk, coconut; a plant that has a green and soft stem, mint; a plant that has thorns, cactus; a plant that needs support to grow, beans; a plant that grows along the ground, cucumber; a bushy plants, China rose. Next question answer है: which plant are called trees? Big and strong plants are called trees. Which plants are called shrubs? Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Which plant need to grow straight? Climbers have weak stem and they need support to grow straight. What are creepers? Creepers are grow along the ground. Name any 2 thorny plants, cactus and acacia. Next, this is your test of first chapter. You can do it in your copies. Now chapter 2. These are the blanks: wild animals, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers. You can fill in the copies. Recognize the following: herbivorous, herbivorous, omnivorous, carnivorous, herbivorous. These are filled in your book. Circle the odd one out. The names are given in your book and you can find out odd ones. Now cow, parrot, rabbit, tiger. Questions are given in your book and the answers are: wild animals live in forest. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. Scavengers are useful to us. They keep forest clean by eating dead animals. Now, Unit 3, page number 34, eating well. Write the name of the some food under the right heading. Food that help us to grow: peas, beans, fish. Food that give us energy: bread, rice, milk. Food that fight from diseases: fruits, vegetables, milk. These are true false. We should drink 2 glasses of water every day. False. Eating chips and burgers is good for health. False. Food should be cooked properly. True. We should eat in hurry. False. We should wash our hands before meal. True. We should eat only one kind of food every day. False. Why is food important for us? Food is very important for us. You can do it all questions in your copy. Next page is your chapter 4, staying safe. What will happen if we do the following? The follow the safety rules. We will be safe. Cross the road when cars are moving fast. We will be hurt. Push another child while boarding a bus. He will be injured. Play with sharp and pointed things. It harms us. Go for a swim in a pool containing dirty water. We will be make ill. Swim on the deep side of the pool. If we do not know how to swim, we will die. Inform our teacher when we get hurt. She will help us. Now, the next exercise. Where should we cross the road? We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. Where should we wait for the school bus? We should wait for the bus at the bus stop. Why should we not play with sharp and pointed things? We should not play sharp and pointed things because they are harmful for us. What is first aid? The first immediate treatment given to a person who is hurt is called the first aid.
सर चैप्टर नंबर बताएंगे?
Next है a strike off, always red, always sharp, alone. Now chapter is air everywhere. First of all, fill in the blanks. Wind, space, weight, air, breathe. Write true or false against each statement. We can see air. False. The room you can sitting in a filled with air. True. The page of your book can be moved because of air. True. An empty glass has no air in it. False. Dry leaves burn because of air. True. We should breathe in dirty air. False. Answer the following questions हैं. What will happen when air is blown into a balloon? The balloon grows bigger because air fills the space inside it. What happens when a glass is tilted underwater? When the glass is tilted underwater, the air from the glass passed into the water in the form of bubbles. Why is the ball filled with air heavier than a deflated ball? The ball filled with air is heavier than a deflated ball because the air inside the football has weight. Question number 4. What happens when a burning candle is covered with a glass jar? When a burning candle is covered with a glass jar, the candle goes out after some time because it uses all the air inside the glass jar. Question number 5. We should breathe in clean air. Why? We should breathe in clean air because it is necessary for good health. Now, chapter number 6, weather. First of all, write the type of the day when we use the following things: raincoat, rainy day; collet, cold day; small fire, cold day; umbrella, rainy day; cooler, hot day. Fill in the blanks. Hot winds blow on a hot day. It's wet and slippery on a rainy day. We wear woolen clothes on a cold day. The leaves fall from trees on a windy day. A storm can sometimes uproot the trees. Now, question answer. What caused the weather to change? The change in weather from day to day or from hours to hour is caused by the sun, wind, and clouds and rain. What do you like to on a hot day? On a hot day, I like ice cream and kulfi. Why do we make a fire on a cold day? We make a fire on a coal to keep ourselves warm. What is a storm? Very strong wind is called a storm. Question number 5. Write down two features of a windy day. Our hairs and clothes fly and we are pushed by the wind. It is also difficult to walk against the wind. The leaves fall from trees and dust from the ground rises into the air. Now, the short note on air. Air is all around us. We can feel the air but cannot see it. The space around us is filled with air. Air occupies space. Air has weight. Air is needed for burning. Plants and animals breathe air. The air we breathe must be clean. The second short note is plants Plants are useful to us in many ways. Plants are eaten as food. Many plants give us medicine. Plant can be clean and cool the air. Food of plants is used to fuel as fuel. Wood of plant is used to make furniture. Cotton and jute come from the plants. ये आपका पूरा रिव्यू है जो मैंने इस वीडियो में आपके लिए किया है। स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक का पूरे चैप्टर्स हैं इसके अंदर। आप इसको अच्छे से टैली कर सकते हैं और इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपके लिए फिर मैं बनाऊंगी। और अभी ये आज तक के लिए इतना काफ़ी है।